Bernina 790 Pro. Our video tutorial shows how to group and change the sequence of embroidery designs. Depending on how an embroidery design has been digitized, individual parts of the design can be edited or deleted. The Grouping Embroidery Motifs function is available in the Eye dialog. The Ungroup function divides the design into individual elements. Individual elements can be deleted by selecting them and swiping to the right. Depending on the digitized design, further ungrouping and deleting is possible. Additional embroidery motifs can be added. The character spacing for all letters can be changed using the word art function. If you only need to change the spacing between individual letters, you can use the Ungroup function. However, to do so, the length of the connecting stitches must be reduced to 1 mm in setup. It is now possible to ungroup the lettering. You can use the arrows to scroll through the layers. Now the last two letters are grouped so that they can be moved together. Also move the eye accordingly. The lettering is grouped so that it can be stitched without interruption. The selected element is always grouped together with the element above. The sequence for the combination can be changed. To do so, the element must be selected. It can be dragged forwards or backwards. To confirm the changes and switch to Stitch Out mode, press OK. Identical colors can be combined here to reduce the number of color changes. Easily create your individual designs.
Bernina, made to create.